Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to create a login form using HTML or hypertext markup language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In our notepad++, we have here HTML tag, head, title, login form in HTML, body. So we have here form action login.php.post. Actually, we don't have yet this file. What we are trying to do is to create a simple form. So to create a username and password, we are using this tag label equals username label, and then we have here input type text username name username br to br for next line, password here, and then the type is password. That will allows us to display asterisk symbol or dot. ID, password, name, password, br, input type, submit, value, submit, and then we close the form body, and we close with slash html. Let us go with our web browser to see the output. So we have here the output username, so we can type here, let's say for example admin. Password, we will have a dot here. Okay, but we cannot yet submit because we don't have a backend program for PHP to the server. Okay guys, so I guess this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a login form using HTML or hypertext markup language. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will put a link in the video description so that you can download the complete code, no, of our simple login form in HTML. Thank you so much for watching again. Please support my channel by click the like button, share, and most importantly, if you are new with my channel, please click the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.